I had tried nasal strips, nasal spray, throat spray.
I tried every other snoring product and nothing worked. But then I found Zipa RX. It will work the first night and every night. I guarantee it.
Zipa RX is the new breakthrough in science, guaranteed to stop your snoring the moment you place it in your mouth. While you sleep, the muscles in your mouth and throat relax, blocking your airway and causing that dreadful snoring sound. Zipa RX is the only device with breakthrough Z-Flex technology. It redirects the airflow, stopping snoring the very first night you use it, guaranteed. It's the miracle you've been waiting for. Zipa RX self-molds, so it's incredibly comfortable. It's dentist designed and cleared by the FDA. It's safe and effective. We're so confident it'll work for you. We'll let you try it risk-free for 30